Are you feeling stuck and fed up with being a slave for your boss, working the 9 to 5s and just about surviving? Now, I've got the answers for you. What if I told you there's a simple way out to create you financial freedom and freedom of quality of a life that you so dream of? Let me show you how digital marketing can change your life as it did mine. This video is for beginners. In this video, I'm going to break down digital marketing in simple steps so that you can clearly understand as a beginner. If you stay to the end, I'm going to give you a free gift to get started today. Why listen to me? You see, I have been in your shoes. I'm just a regular mum from London in the UK. I've got a 4-year-old child and I'm a single mum to one. Now, my life changed dramatically when I said yes to myself. I said yes because I was sick and tired of constantly working. I mean, I was a cleaner, so I was doing physical grind. Don't get me wrong, it was a hobby, but it turned to a hate. And I had to look for something that worked for me so that I could have that freedom and happiness back in my life. Now, although I was a cleaner, I was a carer for about 12, 13 years. So I've always loved helping other people. And now I want to turn it around and start helping people just like me. Us busy mums deserve better. And I am here to show you how you can do it too. Now, are you ready to take control and change your life forever? Drop a comment down below, change, and I will send you over my free guide to get you started and get all of that information in now. Now, what is digital marketing? In simple terms, it's a digital product. Marketing stands for selling. So it's a digital product, whether that be an e-learning product, an ebook, anything you can buy online. Most of it is educational. So that is what it is broken down, a digital product, an online product. Now, everyone always asks me, do I need tech skills? And the answer with the program that I'm with is no, because the whole e-learning program that I'm with actually teaches you with a step-by-step guide exactly how to start an online successful business to sell your digital product. Now, I can't talk about others because I did my research, and I'm going to save you a lot of time. I did my research and I chose the best one out there so that I could literally plug in and just start going from day one. Now, don't get me wrong, there is a whole program to teach you how to do little tech things that you might need to do to plug in to your system, but it's pretty much all done for you. And if you have any questions, you just ask them. So the tech skills are all planned out in our e-learning program. Is digital marketing for tech savvy people only? No, it's not. Anyway, I can say that regarding the program that I'm with, as I've said, you don't need any tech skills because everything is all there for you to just follow the steps. But I'm not too sure about other programs. They might not teach you all the ins and outs. I have heard from other people online that, or they ask for videos to show them how to do things and they just get sent to YouTube to go and work it out for themselves. Now, the program that I'm with, it's nothing like that. You get everything right in front of you. What types of digital marketing is there out there? Now, you can do it as a faceless brand. A lot of people say to me, I don't want to show my face. Now, the program that I'm with shows you exactly how to be successful doing a faceless brand. It's not something that I chose to do, but you can definitely do it. Pretty much you're content creating, so you're shown exactly how to content create, because a lot of people that have actually become successful in our program that I'm with, they've never been on social media before. Now, I can say I have been on social media, but I didn't have any clue to do with reels or making content. I didn't know that type of stuff, but that's with this program, you get to exactly how to do it. So you either buy a product, which is the easy peasy option, you buy it and you sell it, or you can create your own product, which maybe I would suggest once you've had that experience selling someone else's, because when you sell someone else's, it's all set there, are ready to go, and you have the full master resale rights to sell it on. So that way is the best way, and that is exactly what I'm doing. I mean, imagine a system that is already set up for you. You get your website pre-built, your email automations already set, you get all the tools, all the information, all the educating, everything that you need is in one system with just a one-time purchase. I mean, I found that crazy. I was like, really? Really? We get all of this in that one-time purchase? It blew my mind, but honestly, I've done my research, so I'm going to save you some time. It is phenomenal. It's designed for busy people just like me and you, busy mums, busy people with limited time. So in 2 hours a day, you can literally change your life around. There's no excuses. So please don't give yourself excuses. You can do it with just 2 hours a day. Click the link in the description for more information and to get started today. How quickly can you make money? How quickly can I make money, right? Well, the answer is with consistency. If you're not going to plug in and play and go with what we're being told to do, then you're not going to be successful, right? Because you're not plugging in. You're not plugging in. It's as simple as being consistent. If you're consistent, you're going to see the rewards that will start to reap in. And if you're really consistent and you plug in every single day, the world is going to literally be your oyster. It's as simple as that. And I think we know that, guys. It's the same when you're trying to lose weight. If you don't keep consistent with going to the gym and eating healthy, you're not going to see results, right? How do I sell my product? Now, we do it organically and we do it for free online. We're shown again how to do that. Now, we love to do it organically because it's the best way to build things up without any extra costs. Imagine that, right? These skills you can take with you into your future, and you could take them wherever you want with any future business, because we live in an online world. And these skills that we learn, well, they are priceless. They're really, really priceless. And that's what I love. I can't wait to see where I go in the next 5 years. So we don't do no cold calling. No cold calling. We don't send DMs. We do attraction marketing. And we're taught exactly how to do attraction marketing within the program. What this means is you reach out, you make videos, and people that are interested, they either comment below or they click in the description, and then they go into your email automation funnel, which basically means they subscribe and then they start to get all the information, and you don't need to send that information because it's all automated. How cool is that, right? So the best part is we don't have to go chasing cold calling customers. They simply come to us. The best thing about it is, I don't know about all the other programs, as I said, because I tried to choose the best one. But with our program, it comes with a community. There's over 46,000 people inside of our community. I'm going to share that on the screen for you. Just have a little look now. It is amazing because you're never, ever alone. And for me, that was the best thing. I feel like I've got that support, that community. It's like a little family, and you have a place of where you belong. You truly feel like you belong there because everyone in this community is supportive. And it's just amazing because sometimes you can't tell your friends because they begrudge you. They say, oh, what are you doing? You have that support and community there. So you don't need to go and bother your friends and tell them about your new ventures, because you know what? Half the time, jealousy, right? It's jealousy. So yeah, I love community. It's amazing, and it's the best part for me. How do I know this isn't a scam? Well, quite frankly, it's not a scam. You can do your research online, search up the Legacy Builders program, and you can have a look on there. I'm going to share some testimonials shortly so that you can see real people's wins from real people that just went from being nothing to something. It's quite amazing actually to watch the wins in the community, because they go from nothing to something, these people, and it's just so nice to see. What happens if you fail or it doesn't work for you? It can work for anyone. If you come up to any hurdles, or you hit a brick wall, there's always someone to answer your questions. We've got live Zoom calls every week. We've got loads of training. We've got a supportive community where people answer your question within 5 minutes of you posting it. So you're never alone. And the point is, the only reason that you will not succeed is if you don't plug in and if you're not consistent. I mean, people go out and pay for college courses, university courses, and sometimes where do they go? They end up working in the supermarket. So can you imagine, you're paying all that money for what? With this program, you pay a one-time purchase. And you get all of these things. Now, if you click the link in the description, you can see exactly what you could get. It's really as simple as that. We live in a digital world now. It's just phenomenal what we can get with this program and what you can get doing digital marketing. Why should you trust me to guide you on this journey? Now, I've been a carer, as I said. I love helping people. I'm here to help you. I'm here to be as transparent as I can. If you do have any questions, always make sure that you pop them down in the comments, and I will answer them all personally myself. Now, I want to guide you because I want to show other mums just like me. I mean, I've been through a lot, and I'm guessing you might have too. We've all been through a lot in life, and we deserve more. And I want to show you the way out. So what makes this program different from any other opportunities? So from the research that I'd done previously to purchasing this program, I saw that there was not enough support. There wasn't all of the trainings that I needed and wanted as a beginner with no tech skills. So this program is so much different because it has everything that you need, with all of the added bonuses that I was quite shocked with all the added bonuses that come. So this program is a lot different because it gives you absolutely everything that you will need to succeed. as a beginner. Now, I'm going to show you some testimonials from the community to give you a really clear view of what can happen if you plug in and play. By plugging in and playing. Now, guys, they're the testimonials that I'm going to show on the screen for you now. Can you believe it? It's as simple as that. It's literally as simple as that. Just plug in and play. And you could be one of these people. How do I start earning passive income through this system? Now, I was given the opportunity to join, and I did. To be honest, I didn't really think about it when I did, because I'd done my research and I come across someone again and I thought, right, I'm buying it now. That's it. I just bought it right there and then because I'd done my research. The way you start making passive income with this system is as simple as plugging in and following the step by steps. Now, the program is specifically made for you to follow all of the steps in that correct order. And if you do so, you will literally see results within 7 days if you're consistent. Now, once you really get to know all of the ins and outs and you've got past all the hurdles and you're all set up, which normally takes about 2 days, the world's your oyster, guys. Passive income. Passive income. You can make as much as you want. I mean, there's people in the community that have made 6 to 7 figures in a year. And they were just like, they were welders or they were cleaners or they were just stay-at-home mums. They didn't have no experience. They just plugged in and learned and followed the step-by-steps. Can I scale my earnings over time? Now, once you've got to know all of the basics and you're starting to make money through selling the Legacy Builders program and even the other 4 income streams that you get when you actually purchase the Legacy Builders program, you get 4 digital products to sell, right? So once you get to know that and you're selling it on a platform, now I always say stick to one platform, because don't spread your time too, wide, because then you don't have much energy to concentrate on that one important thing. Now, there's lots of training in our community where you can learn how to do many other things and even set up your own digital product. Now, that is all in the e-learning program that we get with this program. So you can even learn how to make your own digital product. There's so much learning to do on there and so much that you could add on. I mean, some people in our community have up to 15, 16 income streams because they've just followed all the step-by-steps and they picked out what they wanted to pick out. I hope this is all making sense. If it's not and I've gone too deep, just drop a comment down below and I will answer every question that you may have. How do you get started with minimal risk and investment? Now, as I've already mentioned, you get the whole system with a one-time purchase. So you get access to the community all the time. That's a lifetime thing. You get the weekly live Zoom calls. We have about 5 to 6 a week to help with tech, to help with anything you might have problems with setting up. Yeah, so you have access to the community. You have access to the weekly live Zoom calls. You have access to all the bonuses and you have access to all of the e-learning programs. And that is a one-time purchase. There's no hidden fees, no monthly costs. Everything you need is all in one package. All in one package. So there is really no risks. You get all of it for a one-time investment. You can start off by purchasing one of the smaller products, which starts at $100, or you can go a little bit higher. Now, if you purchase the one that I purchased for $900, you get all 4 of the products in the purchase. So for the $900, you get 4 products that you can resell. And you get the master resale rights to all 4 of these products, and you can sell as much as you want with 100% profit. Now, you're closer to transforming your life than you can imagine. Drop a comment down below, change, and I will send you over a free gift that I promised you, a free gift to get started today. This will be a blueprint 10K in 30 days. Start building a life of freedom, abundance, and happiness, flexibility, and financial stability. Don't wait. Your future is waiting for you to take that first step. Stop giving excuses and make that change today. I'm here for you. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments. If you want to talk or you want a live Zoom call with me, just let me know and I will get in touch with you and we can arrange that.